Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear another assignment related to continuous series. Here statement is given and we have to calculate mode with the help of this given statement. Here the values of x are given and the values of f is also given. And we know that mode is the value which occurs maximum times in a frequency distribution. So maximum frequency is 13, but it is 2 times. We didn't know either mode will be lie in class interval 40 to 50 or mode will be lie in class interval 50 to 60. So here problem arises, either F1 will be 40 to 50 class interval, 13 I will write F1 here or F1 here. This is F0 or F2. So only single F1 value will be there. So in this situation, when two frequencies are having highest number, then we have to prepare grouping or analysis table. So we will analyze this question with the help of number 1, grouping table. And ultimately we will prepare second, analysis table. This is grouping table. And I am preparing, this is frequency which is column first column. This is second column, third, fourth, fifth. So total 6 columns are required for grouping table. And now let us start grouping the values. This is second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and this is sixth column. First column is related to frequency. Second column, we will add first plus 2 values from frequency, then 2 plus 3. In next column, 1 plus 2 plus 3 frequencies will be grouped, then 2 plus 3 plus 4, and lastly 3 plus 4 plus 5. So let us start grouping the values. We have already made the groups in discrete series also. Same procedure is here. First of all, 2 values will be grouped. So these are the values. First 2 plus 3, then 7 plus 13, 13 plus 9, then 2 plus 1. Next, skip first frequency and another 2 values will be grouped. We are skipping 2. Then next group will be, and last value is single, so it will not be grouped. First group 3 plus 7, next 13 plus 13, next 9 plus 2. And next in our fourth column, first 3 frequencies will be grouped. Last 2 values, because 2 values are remaining, so these will not be grouped. So here the values will be 2 plus 3 plus 7, 2 plus 3 plus 7, then 13 plus 13 plus 9. And in our fifth column, we will skip first frequency. First frequency will be skipped and another 3. 3 plus 7 plus 13, then 13 plus 9 plus 2. And in our last column, which is sixth column, we will skip first 2 frequencies, 2 or 3, then another 3, 7 plus 13 plus 13, and last 9 plus 2 plus 1. So these are 7 plus 13 plus 13, then 9 plus 2 plus 1. So we have completed grouping table, all the columns. Now let us sum up all the values. 2 plus 3, 5, 20, 13 plus 9, 22 is equal to 3. 10, 26, 11, 12, 35, then 23, here 24, 33, 12. And now let us tick mark, let us round which is the highest frequency. In first column, which is related to the frequency, 13 is the highest value. Then here 22 is the highest value, 26 is the highest value, 35, then 24, and last one is 33. And now let us prepare second analysis table. For the preparation of analysis table, let us convert. These were the initially these were the columns. Columns will be converted into rows. First row, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. These are the rows. And the column, these rows will be converted into columns. 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and last one is 80 to 90. So we have prepared this analysis table. So this is the analysis table. And now let us analyze the values of all the frequencies which we have prepared these different columns. Column first. So from the first column, highest value is 13. 13 or 13, which is against 40 to 45 and 50 to 60. So one tick mark will be there, 40 to 50 and another 50 to 60. Next highest frequency 22. 22 is the summation of 13 or 9. 13 or 9. 13 or 9 will lie in class interval 50 to 60 or 60 to 70. 50 to 60 or 60 to 70. Tick mark will be there. Then next in third column, 26 is the highest value, which is against frequency 13 plus 13. So one class interval 40 to 50, another 50 to 60. 40 to 50, 50 to 60. In the fourth column, highest frequency is 35, which is the summation of 13 plus 13 plus 9. So 13 plus 13 plus 9. So the class intervals will be 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. 1 tick mark 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70. We have clear four column. We have sum up, analyze the values. Then in fifth column, highest value is 24. 24 is the summation of 13 plus 9 plus 2. Here, this is the summation of 13 plus 9 plus 2 against class interval 50 to 60, 60 to 70 or 70 to 80. So in fifth column, first tick mark will be 50 to 60, then 60 to 70 and last tick mark 70 to 80. In the last column, highest value is 33 which is the summation of 7 plus 13 plus 13. So 7 plus 13 plus 13. And this is against the class interval 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. 30 to 40, 40 to 50 or 50 to 60. And here total will be there. How many tick marks are there? Here 1 tick mark, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tick marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tick mark, 1, 2, 3 or this is 1. So it means 6 is the highest value which we have analyzed, and here 50 to 60 will be the modal value. Mode will be lie in class interval 50 to 60. It means here initially when the problem arise, either the mode will be lie in class interval this 13 or highest frequency, because we were having two highest frequencies. Either mode will be lie in this class interval or this class interval. Now it is clear that mode will be lie from the class interval 50 to 60. Now what will be the modal value? This is also another problem because clear cut mode is not here. So we will apply the formula. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 or multiplied by equal class interval. So here these are the three frequencies. This is F1, this will be F0 and this will be treated as F2. So let us put the value in the formula. Here lower limit is 50 is equal to 50 plus F1 which is 13 minus F0 is also 13, 2 multiplied by F1 is equal to 13 minus F0 is also 13 minus F2 which is 9 and equal class interval which is of 10. So this will be equivalent to 50 plus 13 minus 13 will be equivalent to 0. 0 divided by 26 minus 22 multiplied by 10. So anything will be which will be divided or either multiplied by 0, that would be equivalent to 0. So the answer will be 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. So the value of mode will be 50. So our answer will be Z is equal to 50. So the answer is Z is equal to 50. So in this way we can calculate if values are such a type that two are highest frequencies here and in mode while we are calculating mode, so it is the definition. In our definition we have defined that mode is the value which occurs maximum time in a frequency distribution. So here two maximum values will be there in terms of frequency, and if such a type of problem arises, then we will convert grouping or analysis table to find out what will be the actual modal value. So that's all regarding this numerical. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to mode. Thank you.